You see her across the coffee shop, the bookstore, the park. She's captivating. Your mind screams, "Go talk to her," but your feet are cemented to the floor. That wave of anxiety, that fear of rejection, it stops most men dead in their tracks. But what if the secret to meeting amazing women wasn't about using cheesy pickup lines, but about developing a core confidence and knowing exactly how to start a genuine conversation? Forget the outdated game and manipulative tactics. Today, we're giving you a blueprint for authentic attraction. We're going to break down the mental barriers, show you the 3 steps to an effective approach, and teach you how to turn a simple first interaction into a date-worthy conversation. This isn't about getting a phone number, it's about becoming the kind of man who naturally attracts high-quality connections. If you're tired of seeing opportunity walk by, stick around. This 14-minute plan starts right now.
Segment 1. The inner game. Confidence over technique. The biggest mistake men make when approaching a woman is thinking it's about her. It's not. It's about you. The true barrier is not her potential rejection, but your fear of being perceived as inadequate or creepy. The rejection myth. Understand that a rejection isn't a statement about your worth. It's a statement about that person's availability, mood, or current life circumstances. She's not rejecting you. She's rejecting an unscheduled interruption. Your job is to make that interruption pleasant. Develop your value. The easiest way to become confident is to genuinely be interesting. Are you passionate about your hobbies? Are you pursuing goals? When you're excited about your own life, you emit an attractive energy. Confidence is the byproduct of competence. The why. Before you approach anyone, define your simple purpose. I'm approaching her to share a brief, positive human interaction and see if there's a spark. That's it. Lowering the stakes kills the anxiety. Segment 2. The 3-step approach, the AEC strategy. When you decide to move, you need a quick, natural framework. We call this the AEC strategy. Acknowledge, connect, exit, or elevate. Step 1. Acknowledge. The warm-up. This is not a pickup line. It's a spontaneous observation about the shared environment. It shows you're present and genuine. The contextual opener. Comment on something specific and non-creepy. If she's reading, "That author is great. What do you think of their latest work?" If she's ordering coffee, "That's a bold choice of espresso. I was too nervous to try it. Is it as good as it looks?" If you're at a park, "I love the light on the trees here. This spot just instantly lowers my stress." The key is, keep it brief and light. Your goal here is to get a pleasant, non-committal response and a brief moment of eye contact.
Step 2. Connect. The transition. If she responds positively, a smile, an engaging reply, you have permission to continue. Now, you bridge the gap from the environment to her. This requires genuine curiosity. Move from what to who. Transition the conversation to a topic that reveals something about her personality or interests. If she talked about the book, do you usually read fantasy, or is this just something you picked up? Listen and share your own related taste briefly. If she talked about the coffee, "I'm still figuring out my favorite coffee places in the city. What brings you to this spot?" Listen and share your story briefly. Demonstrate active listening. Repeat a key phrase or ask a follow-up question based on what she just said. This makes her feel heard and builds rapport faster than anything else. Step 3. Exit or elevate. The intent. The biggest mistake is rambling. A good interaction should be short, impactful, and leave her wanting more. After about 3 to 5 minutes of pleasant conversation, you need to either leave or ask for the next step. The intent statement. You must signal your attraction and intent. Don't be her new platonic friend. "This has been a really great conversation. I actually have to run, but I'd really like to continue this over lunch or drinks sometime. Are you open to that?" Be direct. If she hesitates or says she's busy, "I totally get it. If you change your mind, here's my number. Give your number. It respects her space. The key, ask for the date or number, confirm your intent, and then leave. Don't linger and talk your way out of the connection you just made.
Segment 3. Attractive communication. The vibe. How you say things is more important than what you say. Your vibe is your calling card. Presence is power. Put your phone away. Don't look around the room. Give her your full, undivided attention. Nothing is more attractive than feeling genuinely listened to. Use confident body language. Stand tall, shoulders back. Don't fidget. Maintain warm, confident eye contact and flash a genuine smile. Your posture communicates your self-respect before you even speak. Embrace playful teasing. Good banter is built on light, playful teasing. This creates instant chemistry and signals that you're comfortable and fun. Example, if she mentions a slightly dorky hobby, you can say with a smile, "Oh, I knew there had to be a secret nerd in there somewhere. I love it." It's a compliment disguised as a tease. Avoid over-complimenting. Generic compliments like, "You're so pretty," are cheap and often make women feel awkward. Compliment her choices or her personality instead. "I love the way you analyze that book," or "You have a great laugh." Segment 4. The mindset of abundance. Why does approach anxiety feel so crippling? Because we treat the person we're approaching as our only chance. You need to shift to an abundance mindset. Practice without pressure. Start small. Challenge yourself to have 3 positive, friendly interactions with strangers every day. The barista, the security guard, the cashier. This builds your approach muscle without romantic pressure. Don't judge the location. Opportunities for connection exist everywhere. The grocery store, the dog park, the elevator. Stop limiting yourself to bars and apps. Real life is where genuine connection happens. Expect a high volume of no. If you approach 10 women, 7 to 8 will probably say no, and that's normal and okay. You're looking for that 1 or 2 who are available, intrigued, and aligned with you. Success in dating is a numbers game, but the quality of your approach is what makes those numbers work for you. Your rejection tolerance is directly proportional to your dating success.
Segment 5. Recap and final encouragement. You have the plan. Remember the steps. Inner game. Build genuine confidence and detach your self-worth from the outcome. Ace approach. Acknowledge the environment, connect on a personal level, and exit or elevate with clear intent. Vibe check. Be present, use confident body language, and keep the interaction playful and concise. Meeting women you don't know isn't a superpower reserved for a few. It's a skill anyone can build. It requires courage, respect, and a willingness to occasionally be awkward. But every single successful relationship started with one person having the courage to say hello. What's the best spontaneous conversation starter you've ever used? Share it with the community in the comments below. If this script gave you the push you needed, please hit the like button, subscribe to Love Unscripted for more dating insights, and click the notification bell. Until next time, be brave, be genuine, and remember, love is unscripted.